everyone, welcome to my kitchen. We are making cupcake. For that we need that ingredient. We have 30 biscuits and 2 spoons of sugar, milk and spoon and some mix. Grind all these biscuits one by one in this. Let me put it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it in there. So, put in this. How many words? Oh, you need to be clean. Blend this cookies. Now put this in this bowl. Now we're mixing this up. Then we're going to put this sugar. So we're going to add this milk. Some more milk. Now our mother is going to mix it properly. Here you go, mother. Look at the consistency. Now add Eno. Then it mix it. We could add this in this mold. Now we made all the cupcake. Now I'm going to do that. I'm going to bake it. Here you go, mother. He's taking it now. I'm going to bake it with my mother. Let's go do. Wow, how my cupcakes look! See how come? See my cupcakes so look pretty. Mother going to take it out with her gloves. It's so important that the hands can be very hot. Look, my cupcakes. It's very hot. I can't touch it. And it's so pretty. I love to eat it, but I can't. It's so hot. Touch it. Ooh, 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 ooh. What? I'm just dancing. Okay. Boom, chicky boom. Boom, chicky boom. Like a chicken, like a chicken. Cops, cops, cops. This is the decoration. It's so hot. And some sugar to sprinkle up. This will take some more sugar. Here is sugar. It's nice to sprinkle. Now I'm sprinkling some this. Hop.